The world is running out of water. You turn on the tap, and nothing comes out. No water for drinking. No water for cooking. No water for survival. For millions of people, this isn't just a nightmare. It's their daily reality. Across the world, 1 in 10 people still lack access to clean, safe water. And this crisis is only getting worse. Today, we're diving into the truth behind the global water crisis, what's happening, why it matters, and, most importantly, how we can all be part of the solution. For most of human history, access to fresh water was about geography. You lived near a river, a spring, a well. But in today's world, it's much more complicated. Rivers are drying up. Groundwater is disappearing faster than it can replenish. Climate change is pushing droughts to new extremes. And population growth is increasing demand everywhere. Take California. In towns like Mendocino, entire communities now rely on water being trucked in because the wells have dried up. In parts of Germany, places once considered water-rich are experiencing groundwater shortages like never before. And in developing nations, millions walk hours each day just to collect unsafe water from contaminated sources. The signs are everywhere, yet somehow the world keeps ignoring them. When water disappears, it's not just about thirst. It's about survival, stability, and human dignity. Without water, crops fail. Without water, diseases spread. Without water, communities collapse. Already, water scarcity has been linked to rising tensions, displacement, and even wars. In Syria, a severe drought helped fuel a migration crisis that spiraled into conflict. In parts of Africa and Asia, water disputes are becoming political flashpoints. But beyond these headlines are quieter tragedies. Children missing school because they spend their days walking for water. Hospitals without clean water to treat patients safely. Families forced to drink from the same river where animals bathe and waste flows freely. And this crisis doesn't just belong to distant places. From the American Southwest to Southern Europe, water scarcity is creeping closer to home. Behind every statistic is a person, a family, a future hanging in the balance. In rural villages, women and girls often bear the burden. They walk miles, carry heavy containers, and lose hours every day to a task most of us complete with the turn of a tap. These journeys aren't just exhausting, they're dangerous. Children risk assault, injury, and disease. All for water that isn't even safe to drink. And when families finally bring that water home, it often causes more harm than good. Dirty water leads to deadly illnesses like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid, diseases that clean water could have prevented. Access to clean water changes everything. It restores health. It frees up time for education. It creates opportunities for communities to thrive. That's why this matters. Right now, MrBeast and Mark Rober have teamed up to launch Team Water, the biggest creator-led charity campaign ever. And we, at Healthy Natural Remedies, are proud to be part of this initiative. The mission is to raise $40 million in the month of August to bring clean, safe water to 2 million people for the next 20 years. Every dollar raised gives one person clean water for an entire year. And 100% of the money goes directly to organizations like WaterAid, who are already on the ground, building solutions that last. These aren't temporary fixes. They're wells, filtration systems, and infrastructure designed to keep water flowing for decades. You've seen this work before. Team Trees planted over 20 million trees. Team Seas removed 30 million pounds of trash from our oceans. Now, it's time for Team Water. Because water isn't just about the environment. It's about life itself. Clean water improves health, reduces poverty, boosts education, and strengthens communities. And the best part? It's a solvable problem. We have the technology. We have the expertise. We just need the will and the funding to make it happen. Yes, the world is facing a water crisis. Yes, climate change makes it worse. Yes, millions still suffer. But this isn't hopeless. Together, we can change this story. By supporting Team Water, you're not just donating to a cause. You're helping a child go to school instead of walking miles for water. You're giving a family the dignity of clean water in their home. You're investing in a future where water scarcity no longer steals lives or dreams. Visit teamwater.org. Donate whatever you can. Even $1 makes a difference. Share this message. Spread awareness. Join the movement. Together, we can flood the feed. We can dominate the trending page. And more importantly, we can change lives. Because without water, there is no future. But with your help, clean water can flow where it's needed most. Join Team Water today, because water is life.